Hello, welcome again to Welsh Bloke Talking. Croeso. Bit of a strange one for you this time. A Welsh UFO encounter. Was it a UFO? Well, it was definitely unidentified, and it was an object that was flying. Whether it was piloted by little green men or not, I couldn't say. I'll leave the decision up to you. I'll just tell you the story. This happened about 7 years ago. 2012, thereabouts. I was rehearsing for a performance of Under Milk Wood by Dylan Thomas. I was playing first voice, and our rehearsal rooms were in the little North Wales spa town of Trefynon, also known as Holywell. Now the rehearsals would finish about 10:30, 11 o'clock, and I had the drive back then, which took me across the A55 expressway and down a little windy country road into the little village of Caerwys, and I went through there to come back to Denbigh. But on one night, on the outskirts of Caerwys, something strange happened. So let me put you in the picture. There I am, in the dark, driving home from rehearsals. Up to that point, it was an ordinary, boring late-night drive in the country. But then something caught my eye up ahead. There seemed to be lights in the distance, and they were floating towards me. As I rounded the bend, I got a clearer view. It was a row of 6 lights, and as it flew closer, I could see that it was big. I searched for somewhere to pull over. I saw a lay-by and pulled in. I quickly jumped out of the car. The thing was nearly above me. It was huge and fast, but absolutely silent. I pulled my phone out of my pocket and I fumbled with it, desperately trying to turn it on and use the camera as the object crossed above me. I looked up and I noticed that the shape of the thing was discernible by the way it blocked the stars behind it. It was triangular, trailing its point behind. Finally, after much cursing, my phone camera came on. But it was too late. I had fluffed the opportunity to get a picture. The object had quietly and swiftly passed over and just slipped away into the darkness. So there you go, that was the story. Was it a UFO? At first, I thought maybe it was some new American stealth aircraft that nobody knew about, and maybe they were testing it in the area or something. But then I thought, if it was a stealth aircraft, would they light it up like a Christmas tree? But then again, I was thinking, well, if it was a stealth aircraft and invisible to radar, flying in an unfamiliar airspace, possibly without permission, the best way to stop things crashing into you would be to light yourself up like a Christmas tree. So maybe it was a stealth aircraft. I don't know. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, hwyl fawr i chi.